The night I left you, I did everything Danzo and Toby told you I did. I have always lied to you and asked for your forgiveness while keeping you at a distance. If I had only come to you from the start, looked straight into your eyes and told you the truth, then I wouldn't have to stand before you as a failure. You don't ever have to forgive me. And whatever you do from here on out, know this. No matter what, I will love you always. Itachi kept his friends, his superiors, his lover, his father, his mother, but he couldn't kill his little brother. I know how much you've changed.
You're wrong! You were the one who changed my world long ago! I was supposed to die too. You were also supposed to kill me along with both our parents. But no. Now explain it! Why me? Why? Why did you spare only me? Why me? What's different about me versus our father or mother? Why only me? When you were alive, you never paid any attention to me. Always flicking my forehead saying, "Forgive me," and running off. And even now that you're dead, you're still running away? What, I was supposed to happily walk that one path ignorant of everything? I never could have walked that path!
Itachi.